Welcome to the Analogy Lab. I'm Kevin Powell. Welcome aboard. This is the entry point for the Copilot Plane Analogy series. Everything you need to understand Microsoft Copilot before you open a single app. In this video, we cover the three roles that run through the entire series: the pilot, you, the Copilot, MS Copilot, and the flight attendants, MS Copilot agents. We explain what Microsoft Copilot actually is inside Microsoft 365, introduce the central concept that ties all four series together, and by the end, you will know exactly which series to watch next. If you are new to Microsoft Copilot, start here. Everything else builds on what you are about to learn. Let's begin. You are already the pilot. You always have been. Every decision in your organization, where to go, what to build, who to hire, what to prioritize, those decisions are yours. They have always been yours. But until now, you have been flying without a Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is your Copilot, fully trained. It has read every document, every email, every report in your organization. It knows every instrument in the cockpit, sitting in the right seat, right beside you every single day. But here is the one thing you need to understand about a Copilot before we go any further. They do not fly without you. They do not make decisions. They do not go anywhere without your say-so. Their hands stay in their lap until the pilot speaks. You are always in command. That never changes. And then there is the cabin crew. The flight attendants do not wait to be asked. They watch the cabin. They know what passengers need at this point in the journey. They are already walking toward you before you raise your hand. In Microsoft 365, that cabin crew is called Copilot agents. They operate on standing instructions, serving passengers proactively. We will come back to them. For now, remember this: the Copilot responds when you speak. The cabin crew is already working. Let's make the distinction crystal clear, because this is the one people get wrong. On the left, Microsoft Copilot, the Copilot in the right seat. It is reactive. It responds when the pilot speaks, and it is built directly into Microsoft 365. On the right, Copilot agents, the cabin crew in the aisle. They are proactive. They work on standing instructions, and they are custom built in Copilot Studio. Here is the line to keep with you for the whole series. Copilot does what you ask. Agents do what you would have asked before you knew you needed it. So what exactly is Copilot? Microsoft Copilot is not a website you visit. It is not an app you switch to. It is not something separate from your existing work. Microsoft Copilot is an AI layer built directly into Microsoft 365. It lives inside the tools you already open every day. Outlook, Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, SharePoint. You do not go to Copilot. Copilot is already there. It is there when you open your inbox in the morning. It is there in the meeting you are trying to follow. It is there when you face a blank document and a deadline. It is the Copilot already seated at every instrument in the cockpit. Here's the concept that ties this entire series together. 5 instruments: Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and OneNote. Each one a different job, each one operated by the same Copilot. When you use Copilot in Outlook, it reads your inbox. When you use Copilot in Word, it helps you write. When you use Copilot in PowerPoint, it builds your deck. When you use Copilot in Excel, it reads your data. When you use Copilot in OneNote, it organizes your notes and handover logs. The Copilot does not change. The instrument in front of them does. Same intelligence, same relationship with you, same rule. They only act when you ask. But each instrument requires a different skill, and the Copilot has all of them. This is the concept that makes the whole series coherent. Here's the master instrument panel, all 5 instruments in one view. Outlook is your navigation and comm system. The Copilot manages your flight manifests and crew scheduling. Word is your flight log. The Copilot drafts and rewrites your pre-flight briefings and post-flight reports. PowerPoint is your in-flight safety visuals. The Copilot builds the deck and you present it. Excel runs your fuel and load calculations. The Copilot reads the operations data and surfaces what matters. And OneNote is your maintenance log. The Copilot organizes the handover notes so nothing is lost between shifts. Series 1 covers all 5 in detail. For now, let's watch 3 of them in a single working morning. It is 8:45 in the morning. Your inbox has backed up overnight. A meeting starts in 15 minutes that you have not read into, and you need to send a project update before you walk in. Before Copilot, this is a scramble. With a Copilot in the right seat, you simply brief them. Let's watch that play out across 3 instruments, ending at 9:28. First instrument, Outlook. You type, summarize my unread emails from this morning and flag anything that needs a response before the meeting. The Copilot reads every email. 2 urgent items surface. Everything else is summarized in 3 lines. That took 10 seconds. You did not open a single email. Second instrument, Teams. You are 3 minutes late to the meeting. Instead of interrupting, you type, what have I missed? The Copilot has been reading the transcript in real time. You are caught up in 30 seconds without saying a word. Third instrument, Word. After the meeting, you need to send the update. You paste your rough notes and type, draft a project update for my team based on these notes. The Copilot drafts it. You review, make one small change, and send. It is now 9:28 in the morning. Inbox handled. Meeting caught. Update sent. 3 different instruments, 1 morning, and the exact same Copilot at every one of them. That is the whole idea. The Copilot does not change, the instrument does. One more idea before you pick your series. The large language model, the AI itself, is just the jet engine. What matters is the aircraft built around that engine, because the aircraft determines your experience and your security. Microsoft Copilot is the Boeing 747. Enterprise grade, massive payload, integrated directly into your Microsoft 365 airspace. ChatGPT is the charter jet, fast, public, and powerful, but flying in unprotected airspace. Claude is the Airbus A320, a highly capable alternative, and GitHub Copilot is the cargo aircraft, purpose-built for heavy technical loads like code. Same kind of engine, very different aircraft. So here is how to pick your seat. This channel is 4 series, each covering a different area of Microsoft Copilot. Series 1, the cockpit, productivity. Start here if you live in Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, or Excel every day. Series 2, comms and protocols, communication and documents. Start here if you live in Teams and SharePoint. Series 3, the engine, Power Platform. Start here if you want to automate, build, or analyze with Power Automate, Power Apps, Power BI, or Power Pages. And Series 4, In-Flight Service, Copilot Studio, and Agents. Start here when you are ready to deploy agents that work without being asked. Not sure where to begin? Start with Series 1, the cockpit. And here is your first cockpit instruction. Try it today. Open Outlook, open the Copilot panel, and type. Summarize my unread emails from the last 24 hours and flag anything that needs a response today. It works the first time. It takes 10 seconds. And it shows you exactly what having a Copilot in the right seat feels like. I am Kevin Powell. This is the Analogy Lab. Like and subscribe.